From all of us here at the Ding King to all of you out there, we wish you guys blessings, prosperity in the new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year from the Ding King.
Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays to everyone. Have a great 2022.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.
Happy holidays, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year.
Happy holidays from all of us at Ding King.
Season's greetings from Ding King in Missouri. Hope you have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year to all of our clients and students and partners. The best is yet to come.
Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. May 2022 bring you lots of love, happiness, and peace.
Hey, it's Todd from the Ding King wishing all of our customers a very Merry Christmas and a happy holiday season and a very prosperous 2022 for all of us.